Welcome to Klick. Meet new people and win exciting prizes. Are you ready? Let's go! Choose to sign up manually with your email, Google account, or Apple ID. In this video, we'll create an account using Google. Enter your phone number and the OTP you received. Fill in your personal info. You are now ready to access Klick. Allow location services before going online and set your intentions and the activity you're doing. When online, see cards of people around you and your location on the map surrounded with potential meetups. Decide who to connect with and send a request with an automated icebreaker message based on their intentions. This is stage 1 of 4. If they accept your request, chat with them in stage 2. If you both request to meet, a date is set, and your location is shared. When you're in stage 3, the border turns blue. You can't meet another person at this time. Keep the vibe positive by sending likes. Once you're close to each other, your phones will recognize it, moving you to stage 4. Congratulations! Use the QR code feature to establish a meetup manually. After meeting, give feedback and save the meetup in your timeline where you can manage all your requests. You can also share a selfie to remember the moment. Go back to an established meetup and request to befriend someone you clicked with. If you both click, you permanently connect. You can chat with your clicks until you unfriend each other. Collect badges, view the feedback you received, and add pictures. An additional bar for more features. Edit your profile with ease. Track your progress and compare stats in the social gym. More connections mean more points and bigger prizes. Connect, meet, repeat, and win. Only with Klick.